Golf in India's SSP Chaurasia has created history by winning the first ever European Tour event in India, the $2.5 million Indian Masters at the Delhi Golf Club. Not only is he a caddy turned pro, but also India's first winner of a European event in this country. He's won 1.7 crore rupees, which is the richest prize money in India.
Well, it certainly can't get bigger than this for Indian golf. In India's first European Tour event in India, we have an Indian winner. Well, his name is SSP Chaurasia, that is Shiv Shankar Prasad Chaurasia from Kolkata. He's won the tournaments by 2 strokes, 9 under. He, of course, had a very consistent, tournament, and he especially had a very fantastic final day. He was 5 under for the day, and of course, this is a very proud moment, not only for the entire golfing fraternity of India, but also for sports in India. To just compare this achievement to maybe another sport, Jeev Milkha Singh called having a European Tour event in India to having probably the Commonwealth Games in India. So it's probably like having a winner at the Commonwealth Games, a gold medalist at the Commonwealth Games. Well, we have for you SSP Chaurasia. He's a caddy turned professional. He turned professional in 1997. Well, it's been about a decade for him, and it's his first European Tour event victory. And of course, he's one of the dark horses of this tournament. Everyone was pitting it to be probably like a Jyoti Randhawa, who's won on this course thrice. He's got 3 Indian Opens. Everyone's also pitting probably Arjun Atwal to win this tournament. So of course it's a surprise for everyone that Shiv Shankar Prasad Chaurasia, or SSP as he's called on the course, has won the first European Tour event in India, the Indian Masters. Of course right here while he's giving live interviews to another sports channel. And of course for all golf lovers in India, it's a great moment, a moment to cherish, and a moment that will go down in the history of Indian golf as one of the biggest landmarks ever.